These are naps that you don't want. It's the $10 ponytail. Anyway. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today is an unboxing of Raw Cambodian Hair. Yes, 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 and it's not from Yummy. So if you want to find out which hair company might have actually put Yummy to the test, might have actually knocked Yummy off the charts like for half the price, then keep watching. I found a really cool hair website on Instagram that I really wanted to try out. I couldn't find any reviews on it on YouTube or anything, and the only Raw Cambodian hair company that I know about is Yummy. And when I put the bundles, the lengths that I wanted in their website, it came up to about $785. So for 4 bundles of like 30, 28, 26, 24. It was so expensive. So I decided to go on Instagram and look around and try to find some more things, something else that was what I wanted, but that was more in my budget. When I found this place called Raw Xtensions, that is the name of them, and they have some beautiful hair according to what I could see online. I haven't touched it. I don't know anybody with it. This is, like I said, a very first impression, okay? But they claim that the hair does not shed, that it doesn't tangle, that it doesn't do anything. It's raining, so I'm sorry if you can hear that in the background, guys, but what can I do? So if in fact this hair is really that phenomenal and it really doesn't tangle or any of that, I gotta let y'all know, right? I mean, it's only right? So we're gonna open this together. This is what the package looks like when you get it. And we're gonna see what the hair is talking about. We're gonna see how good it is and see what we think, right? So I'm gonna cut it. So since I'm gonna cut it, I just wanna push it down like as much as I can real quick. Oh, so here we go. So there's a lot of stuff in here. I don't know. It looks like there's more than just hair. All right, let's see what all we got. Okay, so first things first, you get a detangler brush, honey. This is nice. I actually almost bought this. Like, I was about to buy me one from the store. So let's take this out. It looks like this. So freaking nice. Yes. You get point tip tweezers. Honey, she makes sure you ready. Raw extensions, everybody. So far, so good. Baby. Is it in here? Pillow, satin, pillow cover. It's not in here. It was supposed to be a pillow cover. That would have been high. That would have been extremely lit because I don't have a satin pillow cover. But mine was empty, you guys. Okay. Anyway, so you would have gotten a satin pillow cover if mine wasn't faulty. But it's all good. It's all good. I mean, that would have been so freaking lit though. But it's cool. Alright, Raw extensions. That's empty. I don't even know why I'm trying to put it back. So far, so good. Okay, so we got a wig weaving cap. Okay. Dang, she gives you the needle and the thread. I've never seen all of this. I mean, for real, look. So you get the brush, the needle and thread, the wig and weaving cap, some tweezers, and you're supposed to get the deluxe satin pillow cover. Like, all of that is included. I'm just dropping all of the stuff in the packages. Excuse me. And then the hair comes in this. 2, 3, 4. I hope they're numbered because I don't know, but they come in these little bags. Listen, this packaging is really nice. Like, very impressed. I love everything that came with it. Like, I just bought another one. I wish I would have opened it first. Like, dang, waiting for y'all. But anyway, so We got this. It's crazy. Stop looking at stuff. Okay, Raw, here we go. So now here we go for the bundles. Let's see. Okay. Wow. It's definitely very soft. Lengthwise, we're gonna have to measure it in a minute. The length is supposed to be 30, 28, 26, 24. So it says it doesn't shed. It's not supposed to tangle. Let's see if we get any shedding. No hair. I'm pulling y'all too. Baby, no hair. Nothing's coming out. Hold up, give me something, give me something. Let me prove them wrong. Let me prove them wrong. No hair. No shedding, okay? All of this looks good. There's no hairs, like, if you look on top, hold on. Look at that. Baby, look at these bundles. I don't know if the measurements are right. Let's see. Hold on. I don't have the good one. I got this one. Don't judge me now. Here we go. That's 29 inches. So it makes me wonder, is it supposed to be the 30 or is it the 28 and it's just giving me an extra inch? Because I'll take the extra inch. Yeah. Okay, so that's that one. So far, no shedding. Not even one strand. No tangles. No tangles. It's like butter. Yummy where? Yummy who? Yummy huh? Stop. Listen. Please go on Raw Extensions. Like, please go on Raw Extensions. And go check out, like, the hair. Because this hair, it's that hair that you just want to keep doing this to. Like, I'm not getting one. Not getting one. I'm not getting one. Let me calm down. Alright, y'all. This is a challenge to all the rest of the hair companies. Like, seriously, this video is not sponsored. This video is not sponsored. Speaking of, if you're still here, please stop and subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell so you know when I do videos. My channel is mostly about fashion and lifestyle and getting good deals on things. Every now and then, though, I will throw in a haul or two to show you guys something that's insane. And this is that for me today, because this hair is making me hot, y'all. Like, I gotta pat myself down. I'm getting excited. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, next one. This one is also measuring at 29. It's like 29.5 inches. It looks like it's like a little bit under 30 inches. But I might be wrong. And again, it doesn't have a name on it, so it's not even telling me if this is the 30 inches. But these are raw. This is raw. So this is coming from somebody's actual head. Maybe not 20 heads, 30 heads. None of that. One person. And it looks like Miss Thing had her ends trimmed, which I'm not even mad at. If I pull it, it's like it makes it to 30 inches. But I would have rather it had been like 30.5 rather than 29.5. Let's just keep it real. Like, I want my half an inch, sis. You know what I'm saying? I paid for that. But this is still like very impressive hair, so you know. And I don't even know if this is the right one. Might not even be it. I might be shocked when that 30 inch come out the bag. Because right now, these two both look like they about the same. For real. Yeah, they're the same. And they're both measuring at 29 inches, which is not a problem, okay? Yes, give me too much. Don't give me too, like, I'd rather be a little bit too long. You know what I'm saying? Okay, definitely a shorter bundle. Let's see. No hair. Is that 1, 2 strands? And I had to pull like really hard for those. I'm not even gonna lie. I was like forcing them strands. So far, I got 2.5 strands, and I have been very aggressive. So now let's measure this guy. Let's see what we get. Okay. So far, y'all, I gotta tell you, like, I am floored by the quality of this hair. Like, it is so nice, so silky, it's so soft. It's like, it's just, I don't know, I didn't expect this. Like, I did, but I didn't. You know how people make claims and then you're like, girl, that sounds nice, but we'll see for real what's real. You know what I'm saying? And like, baby, like, she definitely, she got something with this. I'm trying to put y'all on. Raw Extensions is definitely the wave. Like, she is the wave. It's exactly 26 inches. Exactly. They're 26 thick inches too. So it doesn't like really get thin at the bottom. It stays thick consistently all the way down. That's nice. Because I hate it when you get thick bundles and then they start to get really thin. No, that's not happening here. So far with this bundle, got no shedding. Let's see how long it is. $28.5. So the 28s and the 30s are very similar. Like, the only one that you could tell is not a 28 is really the 26. And it's really supposed to be, one of these is supposed to be, I guess, a 30. Like, this is definitely the 26 right here. This is the 26. Okay, so we'll move that. But then, out of these three, which one is the 30? Here it is. So this one here, this one must be the 30. Because this one is slightly, I mean, a hair longer than these. And remember, these measured at 29 inches. So it's really almost like I got 3 30s and like a 27, 26, 26 inch. Very, very thick. Very thick. So far, out of all of this, I literally only lost 2.5 strands of hair. I'm not getting any tangles. The hair has a beautiful luster. I mean, it's everything. Everything. So, I have one more company that I'm going to be doing a review on, okay, to see, because they have really good claims too. But right now, this right here is definitely the creme de la creme. Okay, like, let's see this movement. Like, do you see? Again, this video is not sponsored. All opinions are my own. They are my own, and they are honest. And I don't lie because I paid my own money. There is no hype. There's nobody else on YouTube, literally anywhere, talking about this hair. So, you know I'm not lying. Like, for what? I paid for this. It's the truth. So, listen, I am in love. I'm in love. Raw Extensions, if you want to sponsor me, I swear I will do your videos because I am in love with your hair. It is everything. So, if you want to see what this looks like when I put it in, because we'll be doing another review once it's actually in my head, I'm going to be coloring this hair jet black and blue velvet so that it's like a really pretty black. And then I will be installing this hair. And if you're interested in that, please make sure that you subscribe and hit that like button, you know, and hit that bell so you know when I put up a new video. Again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, stop what you're doing and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. It helps me, it helps my channel, and it really makes me want to keep making videos because I know that you guys actually are watching them. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time. Bye.